This stuff is nitrile O-ring safe. I have a feeling this is rubber since it's dry rotting out, which might be a problem. It's already fucking broken, so who cares? Other side went so smoothly. I think it was because they were shorter. I don't know. We'll find out now. Needle nose are here, so that's good. The boba straws are almost the right circumference for the nipples. Holy shit, I am so old. You know what? Let's get these centered. Let's stretch them out. Yeah, I think they have to be shorter, like these are, because the previous ones were too long and they kinked on me. Push the back in first. Starość nie radość, nie pierdolę. Pushing that down, then kind of rotating this like around, and pushing that down. It worked on the other side. Here's my chrome. Oh, come on. Hey, look. Nope, it's not through. Fuck. Shouldn't even waste that one then. These are thicker. These are beefier than the other ones. The other ones were chewed up. That's why they went through easily. Shit. You could see they went through, but you see how much they were chewed up more.